Alright, let's go ahead and make this card updated. We're going to place that icon in the top left-hand corner up into the center and make that look really nice there. So first off, let's go ahead and move our icon into a div class. Let's call it icon. This will contain our icon there, and that way we can do some things with it later to stylize it. Notice we go ahead and place in our div class card, we place a card-icon right here. Alright, let's go ahead and do our card. Let's go ahead and get rid of our border there. And let's add a box shadow. This will make it look fairly modern, fairly clean, and it's fairly easy to do. Alright, let's make our RGB value. Let's do 0.1. Let's get a nice shadow there. Alright, take a look over there. That card looks a little bit nicer. We got a little bit more work to do there. Alright, so let's go ahead to, let's do .card.card-icon. Mind the icon that we placed earlier. And let's do .card-header. Alright, let's set our background color to transparent. Let's set our border to 0. And let's say our display is flexed. Alright, let's undo that and let's come back to that in a moment. And that way you'll see exactly why we set that to display flex. Alright, let's go ahead and set our position absolute. This is important, that way we can set it a margin and the negatives, that way we can make that float above the card. In the meantime, let's go ahead and make our text align center in the header. And let's go ahead and set our top -70 pixels, and there's the floating that I was mentioning a moment ago. Take a look at that. I set our .card icon. Alright, child.card dash, let's do icon. Let's just do icon here. Alright. Border. Let's set our border radius to 50%. This will give us a near perfect circle to work with. Let's set our font size to, let's say, 3 EM. That'll make it fairly large and easy to view. It's not updating there. That's a little odd. Looks like I forgot to separate our child to icon. We need to make the dot icon for the class. There we go. Now you can see the font size acting there properly. Alright, let's go ahead and set our width to 100%. Let's do pixels. Alright, let's set our padding to 15 pixels. Alright, let's go back up to our card header. And notice how that's not perfectly aligned. We have more on the right than we do on our left. Now let's go ahead and set our display to flex, and I'll show you why we set it to flex. Alright, let's go ahead and align justify content center. And let's go ahead and align content with items center. And let's go ahead and set align dash content center. Alright, that's still not working there. It looks like we may need to, let's set our width to 100% here. There we go. And now you can see that it's perfectly in the center, and it looks proper. Good. Alright, now we need to be able to see our background. Let's go ahead and do our bg.dark, text-white. Now you can see the book in the icon. Alright, let's go ahead and do our card.card-icon, child card-body. Alright, notice it's overlapping the text there. We want to go ahead and fix that. So let's go ahead and set our margin-top to, let's say, let's put 70 pixels there. That's a little too much. You notice on the right we have too much padding there. Let's go ahead and we'll knock that down to 40. There we go. That looks better. Alright. So this should be mobile friendly for you. It's fairly responsive the way we wrote it. And if you saw there, it's looking pretty good. Alright. Now let's go ahead and add an image. Set our class to image fluid. Let's go ahead and let's make an image thumbnail. I'll give it a nice white border. All right, let's go grab our source. We're going to go to Unsplash, grab the photo of the day, right-click, copy image address, and go ahead and paste it into the image tag. If you go back, let's save it and let's refresh. Now we have an image. Oh, it doesn't look too great. Let's go ahead and remove that thumbnail. All right. There we go. That looks a bit better. Great. All right. Now works there. All right. Let's go ahead and set a title up there. Let's call it. Let's go custom. Nah. Let's go and do icon card. There we go. Notice it is not centered. It does not look proper. Let's go ahead and make that center. H3 class text dash center. There we go. Now, if you notice, that is responsive. It is growing and shrinking according to the screen. And there you go. Congratulations.